Hi everyone. This video will guide you on how to enable or disable automatically update offline maps in Windows 10. Windows 10 ships with a built-in Maps app. Using this app, you can download offline maps for a country or a region and then use those maps for directions and search for places. Besides that, it includes a built-in setting that helps to automatically update the downloaded maps when the device is on Wi-Fi and not on a metered connection. But, if you don't want that, you can turn off or disable the automatically update offline maps feature in Windows 10. Here is how to do it. How to enable or disable automatically update offline maps in Windows 10. To enable or disable automatically update offline maps in Windows 10, first, open Windows 10 Settings by pressing the Windows +I hotkey or any other method. Then, click on the Apps category. After that, move the cursor to the left sidebar and click on the Offline Maps option. On the right sidebar, scroll down to the Map Updates section and turn off the toggle switch Automatically Update Maps. If you want to get your maps updated automatically, just turn on the toggle switch Automatically Update Maps. That's it. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel Garip Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.